Welcome student, I hope you are well. Now I will discuss about measures of dispersion and mean deviation. Let's go start. Here number 2 is number 2 type of 2 of measures of dispersion. It is mean deviation. Mean deviation, the mean deviation is the arithmetic mean of the absolute value of the deviation from arithmetic mean or median or mode. The mean deviation is the arithmetic mean of the absolute value of the deviation from arithmetic mean or mode or median. Now, for non-classified data, first number, mean deviation about the mean. Mean deviation about the mean, summation xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n. Memorize it. Mean deviation about the mean about the mean, summation xi minus x bar by n into absolute value sign, where x1, x2, x3 dot xn are a set of n data values and x bar be their mean. Here x bar, we know that x bar equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot xn by n. So x bar, we can write x bar equals to here x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn equals to summation xi. Here x1 x2 plus x3 dot x, it is, we can write summation xi by n. Here I is 1 2 3 dot n. So x bar equals to summation xi by n, where xi equals to I equals to 1 2 3 dot n. I say again, mean deviation about the mean, it is denoted by md, summation xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n. Here xi equals to I equals to 1 2 3 dot n and x bar equals to x1 plus x2 plus dot xn by n, and we can write x1 x2 x3 dot xn equals to summation xi. So summation xi equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot plus xn. So find the mean deviation from mean. Now example, data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this data. Now find x bar equals to, we know that x bar equals to summation xi by n. Here xi equals to summation xi means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 by total number n equals to 7. So 1 2 3 3 6 4 10 15 21 and 28 by 7 equals to 4. So we get x bar equals to 4. Again I can say again, students, look at the board. X bar equals to summation xi by n. Here xi equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 by 7. So here summation 28 by 7 28 by 7 equals to 4. So we get value of x bar equals to 4. Now here xi equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Here xi minus x bar absolute value sign. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So xi minus x bar, here x1 is 1 minus x bar is 4. x1 1 minus 4 equals to 3. Absolute value minus absolute value sign, absolute minus 3, absolute value sign equals to 3. So 1 minus 4 equals to 3. Similarly 2 minus x bar equals to 4 equals to 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 absolute value sign equals to 1. 4 minus 4, attention please student, 4 minus 4, 4 is a mean x bar is 4 and number 4, 4 minus 4 equals to 0, and 5 minus 4 equals to 1, and 6 minus 4 equals to 2, and 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So summation of xi minus x bar, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 9, 3, 12. So we have summation xi minus x bar, summation xi minus x bar equals to 12. So we know that mean deviation it is denoted by md. md means mean deviation equals to summation xi minus x bar by n. Now putting the value of xi minus x bar is 12 by n is 7. n is 7. So 12 minus 7, using calculator, 12 minus 7, 12 divide 7 equals to 1.71. 1.71. So value of mean deviation equals to 1.71. Next, find the value of coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of relative measures of dispersion. Number 2, coefficient of mean deviation equals to mean deviation by x bar into 100%. Attention please student, coefficient of mean deviation equals to mean deviation by x bar into 100%. I say again, coefficient of mean deviation equals to mean deviation by x bar into 100%. Now putting the value of mean deviation is 1.71 by x bar is 4 into 100%. Now using calculator, 1.71 into 100 equals to 171 divide 4 equals to 42.75. 42.75%. So we have coefficient of mean deviation equals to mean deviation by x bar into 100%. So we have mean coefficient of mean deviation equals to 42.75. Now I will discuss mean deviation for classified data. For classified data, mean deviation about the mean for classified data, summation, memorize it students, summation fi absolute value sign xi minus x bar by n. Again, mean deviation about the mean, summation fi xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n. Student, memorize a formula. Mean deviation about the mean, summation, again summation fi xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n. Here x bar equals to summation fi xi by n, fi xi by n. It is memorize it. X bar equals to, for classified data, x bar equals to summation fi xi by n. Here n is summation fi equals to n. Summation fi equals to n. Here I equals to 1, 2, 3 dot n. I say again, for classified data, mean deviation about the mean, summation fi, formulas, mean deviation about the mean, summation fi xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n. Here a is summation of fi and x bar is summation fi xi by n. Here I equals to 1, 2, 3 dot n. I hope students memorize it. So now example, obtain for classified data, obtain marks in higher math first paper of 60 students given below. Find its mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. Find the mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. Here 60 student, marks of 60 student, 50 to 60 total student 10, 60 to 70 total student 15, 70 to 80 marks total student 16, 80 to 19 total student 15, 90 to 100 total student 4. So I solve it. Marks 50 to 60 total student 10, 60 to 70 total student 15, 70 to 80 16, 8 to 90 15, 90 100 4. So total number of students summation fi equals to n equals to 10, 50, 25, 16, 41, 56 plus 4 equals to 60. So summation fi equals to n. Summation fi it is denoted by n equals to 60. Now mean value it is denoted by xi. Mean value it is denoted by xi. Mean value, what is mean value? Mean value lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Mean value, find the mean value. So we know that lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 50 plus 60 by 2 equals to 110 by 2 equals to 55. Similarly, 60 plus 70 by 2 equals to 65. And 70 plus 85 equals to 75. Now 80 plus 90 by 2 equals to 85. And 90 plus 100 by 2 equals to 95. So find the mean value. Mean value, what is mean value? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 50 plus 60, 110 by 2 equals to 55. Similarly 65, 75, 85 and 95. Now find Fi xi. Next Fi xi. Fi into xi. 10 into 550 equals to 550. Now using calculator, 15 into 65. 15 into 65 equals to 975. 975. Again 16 into 75. 16 into 75 equals to 1200. 1200. And 15 plus 85. 15 plus 85 equals to 15 into 85 equals to 1275, and 4 into 95, 4 into 95 equals to 380. So summation Fi xi equals to 4380. Using calculator, 550 plus 975 plus 1200 plus 1275 plus 380 equals to 4380. Student, clear? Are you clear? Fi summation Fi xi equals to 4380. Now x bar, we know that x bar equals to summation Fi xi by n. Here Fi xi equals to 4380 by n equals to 60. 4380 by 60 equals to 73. So value of x bar equals to 73. Then find the xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar means 10 xi minus x bar. 55 minus 73. 55 minus 73 equals to 55 minus 73 equals to 18. And 65 minus 73 equals to 65 minus 73 equals to 8. And 75 minus 73 equals to 2. And 85 minus 73 equals to 85 minus 73 equals to 12. Last, 95 minus 73. 95 minus 73 equals to 22. 95 minus 73 equals to 22. So, student, attention please. If xi minus x bar equals to 55 minus 73, x bar equals to 73, so 55 minus 73 equals to 88, 65 minus 73 equals to 8, 75 minus 73 equals to 2, 85 minus 73 equals to 12, and 95 minus 73 equals to 20. Now, Fi into xi minus x bar, Fi into xi minus x bar. So 10 into 18 equals to 180, and 15 into 8, 15 into 8 equals to 120, and 16 into 2, 16 into 2 equals to 32, and 15 into 12 equals to 180, and 4 into 22 equals to 88. So student, again 10 into 18, 180, 15 into 8 equals to 120, 16 into 2 equals to 32, 15 into 12, 180, and 4 into 22 equals to 88. Now summation fi. Find the value of summation fi xi minus x bar absolute value sign using calculator. So we have 600. 600. Now using calculator, 180 plus 120 plus 32 plus 180 plus 88 equals to 600. Now find the mean deviation. So mean deviation equals to mean deviation. It is denoted by MD. MD equals to summation fi xi minus x bar by n. Here summation fi xi is 600 by 60. N is 60. 60 equals to 600 by 10. 600 by 60 equals to 10. So mean deviation it is denoted by MD equals to 10. Now find the value of coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation equals to mean deviation by x bar into 100. Formula: coefficient of mean deviation by x bar into 100%. Now putting the value of MD, mean deviation is 10 by x bar equals to 73 into 100%. Now calculator, using calculator, 10 into 100 divide 73 equals to 13.69. 13.69%. 1000 divide 73 equals to 13.69%. So coefficient of mean deviation, we know that coefficient of mean deviation by x bar into 100%. So 13.69%. Here mean deviation, value of mean deviation equals to 10 and coefficient of mean deviation equals to 13.69%. Student, memorize it. Mean deviation about the mean. Formula: summation fi xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n for classified data. For classified data, mean deviation about mean, it is denoted by MD, summation fi xi minus x bar absolute value sign by n. Here x bar equals to f summation fi xi by n and n equals to summation fi for classified data. So we have mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. So students, I hope you are clear. Now see you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.